Guys, naka 50% off lahat ng burgers sa Chili's this March 6 for their 14th annual Burger Day. And here are my recommendations and share ko na din everything that we ordered. Let's go! Of course, pag nasa Chili's, hindi pwedeng maskip tong Ultimate Dipper na may different dipping sauces. These egg rolls are to die for. Meron na din nung kasamang onion rings, calamari, our all-time favorite chicken crispers, and boneless buffalo chicken. For the burgers, we got the old timer with cheese and the ultimate bacon burger that comes with their thick cut fries. Dito muna tayo sa old timer kasi I remember having this siguro mga 2 years ago, pero grabe, it's still as juicy and delicious. And this patty was so heavy, perfectly cooked and seasoned, and as usual, love the smoky and beefy taste. Medyo messy lang talagang kainin because it is massive. Speaking of massive, this ultimate bacon burger was even more loaded. I mean, look at those strips of bacon. Nasa sweeter side na yung sauce nito, which I actually prefer. I think same lang yung patty with the old timer, pero grabe, andito na talaga lahat. There's bacon, cheese, pickles, and more veggies.